spent a ton of time in Haiti. Today I would like to talk to you about 3 of my favorite things that I noticed immediately in Haitian culture. The first and biggest thing that I like about Haitian culture is the family aspect. So as an American, growing up in a culture that is individualistic, it was a huge change for me to adapt to the family aspect of Haitian culture. In America, it's everyone for themselves. My home is for me, my immediate family, my job supports me, my activities are centered around me. Haiti is very different in that homes are shared, jobs support the family unit, and when I say family unit, I don't mean wife, spouse, children. I mean grandparents, parents, cousins, siblings. Everyone shares what they have and pool their resources to take care of each other. While this can be challenging, especially for Haitians living abroad, having that pressure that they need to be doing so much to support their family back home, it can be challenging, but it's something that I really miss when I'm in America and in the culture here. The second thing that I appreciate about Haitian culture is the focus on natural beauty. Growing up in America, there's always been this push to look a certain way. We see it in media, we see it in peer pressure, people around us, advertisements. We always are pushed and prodded to be thinner, more beautiful, to do certain things with our hair, with our makeup, and just not really appreciate our natural beauty and what we look like when we're not all dressed up. In Haiti, I really appreciate how women are comfortable in their own skin. Not to say that they don't try to exercise or do certain things or fix their hair a certain way, but there's way less pressure and they're way more comfortable being who they are. And even in the men prefer natural, which I really appreciate, especially being married to a Haitian now. They don't want you to be completely hairless and have your hair a certain way and always have makeup on and be constantly losing weight. It's just very refreshing and I really like that. My third favorite thing about Haitian culture is the slow pace of life. Going back and forth between America and Haiti, it's really apparent how rushed we are here in the United States. Always rushing from activity to activity, having all these bills that are coming up on certain dates and always scheduling everything around work and school and activities and not being able to just wake up in the morning and just figure out the plan as the day goes on. I really enjoy living this slower pace of life in Haiti. At first, adapting can be hard and it can be difficult not having things done on the schedule or wanting things to happen and they take a lot longer than you expect. But it's actually a really refreshing way of life, unhurried, unrushed, just going about the day, start to finish, not having expectations, not knowing how things are going to happen, and not having the pressure to schedule everything. I would love to hear what your favorite things are if you've been to Haiti, if you have been exposed to the culture, what your favorite things are, and maybe your least favorites. Drop a comment below.